haters, burners, I'm for keeps. I am for keeps. She can't compete. He ain't stupid enough to lose me to another nigga in them streets. Ooh, they salty. I know they salty. Please say the Barbie. He say the Barbie.
Location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you initially. I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Damn it, to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place. Time and place. Your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come. Time and place to come.
So what? It's day 2. I got my baby in my hand. Oh. Mood. It's day 2 of the room makeover or whatever, and today I get to shop. My favorite thing to do. I like to shop, but I'm scared I must shop and I'm end up buying clothes, and yeah, so but basically I got a lot of stuff to get. I gotta get like a lot of stuff, but I want to paint first. Now I got like nail holes in my wall. I don't know if y'all seen it, but I got nail holes in my wall, so I gotta fill all the holes. And after I paint these walls white, if y'all didn't notice, my walls are not white, they're like a creamy beige color, and that's not cute. I don't like that at all. So I gotta paint it white, and then I gotta fill the walls holes, and then I'm gonna paint it white, and then I'm gonna get some command hooks or whatever them things called, so I don't have to put nails in the wall when it comes to hanging pictures up or anything like that. So yeah, I gotta get some new blinds. I'm getting new everything basically, but the only thing that y'all probably not gonna see is my headboard. I'm ordering my headboard off of Walmart for $40. Like what? Like $40, y'all. I'm finna order for $40, and it's like one of those, I'll just insert a picture or whatever, and I'm finna get me a headboard. Yes, I can't even put my hand over the camera, so we just gonna end it out with my boob. So
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the guns down, hit the guns down. I got.
So I'm back and whatever. So now we're gonna paint these walls white. I done filled the holes or whatever. So now we just gotta paint because as y'all can see they look real dirty. So we finna paint. Let's go.
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. Believe it doesn't tear you apart anymore.
Okay, y'all, so all my walls are painted. Blase. It took forever, but anyway. So this is all the stuff I bought. I got this big old rug. I went to Ross. Got this big old pink rug from Ross. I mean, I'm gonna go in depth in Toro or whatever. I'm gonna go in depth in another video, like a room tour or something. But I went to Ross, Walmart, cause bitch, save money, live better up in this bitch. Like, yes. But I got this end table. It was $10, but I'm gonna paint it white because they didn't have white. They had this like ebony color, so I'm gonna paint it white or whatever. I got a lampshade. Yeah, some pillows, a comforter. And this is the comforter I got. I got this from Christmas Tree Shop, and then I had to get my headboard offline. I got a mirror, and this mirror came from Target or whatever. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's go.
To tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. Believe it doesn't tear you apart anymore. Must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry.
Together, the bed looking nice or whatever. It look cute. I like it. I put my rug down. This rug is so big, y'all. I put this together. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it white. We're gonna see, but I'm gonna put this together. All the stuff on the nightstand. I'll show y'all how it's looking. It's looking nice. Like, I like it. Okay. All right, y'all. So this the overview. Okay, look at that. Y'all see that? Like, what? Anyway, I put everything down. I did my bed or whatever. I went to get my headboard because my headboard ain't gonna be here till like I think April 2nd, and it's March 22nd. So that's like what, 10 days? Like, bitch, what? No. So I gotta wait for my headboard for it to be all complete. I gotta wait for my headboard and then my TV, which is gonna go right there. And I'm gonna put some movies down there because I'm tired of everybody stealing my motherfucking movies. But we gonna put my movies down there, my TV, and I'm gonna have some like wall decor. Y'all gonna see it's gonna come together. And then I got my mirror over there. I got some better looking, what's these called? Curtains. Yeah, curtains. The better blinds. I'm gonna get that in the long run, y'all, because my pockets is burning right now. So we not gonna do that. But yeah, I need some new blinds. My walls are all painted. Look, bro, this took forever to do. Like, walls take up a long time, and then I had to paint the ceiling by myself. Like, it was just too much. But I got the whole bed. I mean, it's gonna be a room tour coming soon, so I'll tell y'all where I got everything. And yeah, I'm gonna hang these pictures up above here. But as y'all can see, my theme is like gold, pink, gray, blue. I don't know. I don't even have a theme, but it go together, so shit. Why not? And the nightstand. Y'all, I got this thing for $10 at Walmart, and then I got some little stuff up for that. Or whatever. Y'all gonna see in depth. And then over here, I gotta get together. As y'all can see, it look a little junky. But yeah, next time y'all see me, I'm gonna have a headboard and my TV. Well, no, next time y'all see me, I'm probably gonna have my TV. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm out of breath. But my headboard just came. I am fucking happy because, bitch, I've been waiting for this headboard forever. It was supposed to come on the 2nd and it came on the 3rd. That's not okay with me. So it just got here. I'm really out of breath, like I just tossed this up here, up these stairs by myself. And I didn't even bring it upstairs. So I'm out of breath because I'm just a fat ass bitch. So that's what happens. It's here. I'm finna unbox it, put it together. I can't wait. I've been waiting for this. This is the last thing I had to put in my room. I finally got it, and it's finally here, sus. So I'm gonna take it off, take it down, and then put it together. Try to put it together, cause this look, it might be hard, but let's go. This is the headboard. Oh shit, I hope it ain't show my address, but yeah, this is the headboard. So we finna put this bad boy together on here. And hopefully it turned out nice. So yeah. It got the little trim on it, whatever. It's like, oh my god, it's so cute. I like it. But anyway, I gotta figure out how to put this together. So let me do that. I got my headboard up. Whew. It looks so nice. Like, it makes my room look so complete. Like, man, I've been waiting for this headboard for the longest. But anyway, I got it up. I don't know if it's too high. Like, I can level it down. But the only downfall about this, it don't fit my bed. This is like a twin size headboard, but it's too wide. You see, it don't even fit it. So yeah, so this is gonna peek through, which I don't really like, but it's okay. We can make it work or whatever. Yeah, if I feel like it is too high, I don't know. Y'all comment down below and see if it's too high. This is my bed. It's finally complete, y'all. So if y'all want to see a little room tour, which will be coming, then make sure y'all comment down below. Don't mind it, that's a junk look. Already getting everything junky. So yeah, if y'all trying to see a room tour, comment down below. And we is done. My room, what? Yeah, I did a good job. So yeah.